Hey guys, this is just a little short. I wanted to show off Sparkle running in the TRS-80. This is a basic program I just typed in. There'll be a longer form video. If you want to check it out, go to my channel, hit the like and subscribe button for more content, and enjoy some very classic TRS-80 randomized characters, screensaver-esque. Obviously you wouldn't want to keep this running, but this is definitely a cool little program just to kind of demonstrate what the hardware can do when coding in BASIC. And here's the program.